Why did we choose Carlisle? I think from the moment that we stepped into your office, we felt welcomed.
We went to a couple of display homes, got all the brochures from everyone else as well. And then we found the floor plan that we liked. It wasn't just the floor plan, it was probably the people when we went and spoke to them in the office. And yeah, it was about trust, I think.
I still come downstairs of a morning and I walk down those stairs and I think, wow, is this ours? We decided to knock down and rebuild.
It was probably 4 years ago. Start of December, it was demolished. The slab went down on the last working day that Carlisle was working before the Christmas holidays. So I think it was the 20th of December. Then you guys started back on the 6th of Jan. We had the keys 30th of April. So just over 4 months, I reckon, just under 4 months, which was amazing.
Life threw its own challenges at us as a family. I basically had tumours taken out of my eyes twice. If that wasn't enough, whilst we were struggling with that, months later, Stephen had his second heart attack. And that, whilst all this amazing stuff was happening around us, at the same time we were challenged with things that were so outside of our control. The staff at Carlisle was so reassuring every step of the way that nothing, you know, you hear people say nothing's ever too much trouble, but the reality is nothing was ever too much trouble. You guys set the standard, but I think it's your customer service and your attention to detail, because it's what differentiates you guys from your competitors and sets you apart from the rest, hands down. Luke, our site supervisor, he went above and beyond to help us ease the burden of what we were going through. It wasn't in his title, he didn't have to do any of that, but there was a genuine interest and a genuine sense of care, and that was paramount for us.
To the fact now that we're still in touch with the foreman that was building the house, and still have a relationship with the people from Carlisle, you know, 2 years after we built, which is amazing.
And I think it's just beautiful to be able to have formed a friendship through something that really was just initially a business transaction, has now turned into a friendship.